Having a bit of a nightmare. The E-train has been shut all the way along the track. We're at Roosevelt Avenue, Jackson Heights in Queens. Finally, we're going to get on the E-train. So the advice is getting the subway and the air train back to JFK. Give yourself plenty of time. We've got plenty of time, but normally it would have been 45 minutes to an hour. We're now an hour and a half and we're still in Queens. Right, finally we are at JFK. Well, almost. Just got to get the air train now. And next is going to be the elevators up to the top. And next is, the air train. So we've got to pay the fee. And that will take us right around the full loop of JFK. It's pretty easy. Clearly, as you can see, the air train, $8.50. So we're at JFK. We were going to go to the TWA hotel, but it's taken 2.5 hours to get here with the E-train line closures, and the air train's absolutely heaving. And it doesn't seem many air trains, so we're just going to go to Terminal 7 to Terminal 4 now here at JFK, which is Delta. You can see it is busy on the air train today. So just leaving Terminal 4, going into Terminal 5 now. And a bit of rain today. There's the TWA hotel that we were going to go and have a look at. But I'm not too sure how easy it is to get there. It's a shame. Would have liked to have seen that. Yep, here we go, Terminal 7. Just check out the construction at JFK, it's unbelievable. Well, here we go, the last time we'll be on the streets of New York City. Got Aer Lingus there as well. Security experience today. I'm going to push that a few times. Diabolical. It's the worst experience ever now. I've just talked to a really nice TSA guy. Terminal 7 JFK, they don't have any TSA pre-checks. You're just thrown amongst everybody else. And the terminal really is just a building site. And what you see down there is a very, very small security area. It was a shambles. It was not. JFK, big thumbs down. Could Terminal 7 be the worst terminal in JFK? I reckon so. After that stressful experience, we've gone for a refreshing Dunkin' Donuts. Iced pineapple, mango and lemonade. Many choices of eateries, but we've gone for True Burger over there. That was pretty good. $38, 2 burgers, 2 fries, no drinks. Apart from that, not much in this terminal at all. Well, it's a very, very wet day at JFK. 5x zoom there and you can see the rain. We have been so lucky with the weather. Look at it, it's like it was at 10 o'clock last night. It is chucking it down. It's going to be like this for the rest of next week. Very, very wet in New York. It's under the engine of this Norse. Under the engine of this Norse, it's almost sinking in water. Look at it. Yeah, we are on time. Those are our pilots that are going to take us back to Manchester today. Right, here we go. Next stop, Manchester. Okay, we're on board EI44 to Manchester. It's raining cats and dogs in New York. Right, are we ready to leave the United States of America?
Unfortunately, yeah.
But we will be back in August.
LA.
Los Angeles, Las Vegas, San Francisco. Join us then. Tonight, sitting on 18k. We've got plenty of movies, but again, don't think I'm going to be watching any of those. Time to destination not on at the moment. TV, audio, you can listen to all the music if you want to. There are games, kids zone. I always tend to always look at the map and look at that. Yeah, we are in. So we've just met a lovely guy who's just boarded, and he's been watching us on YouTube, and he's watching the videos. So how cool is that? I think we can certainly say we've made it in New York. It's always comical when you hear Aer Lingus saying about the blankets that they provide you. During takeoff and landing, you can't have your blanket on your lap or anything like that. It has to go on the floor or in the overhead locker. Same with your pillow. So me and Glynn just sit on them until the flight takes off, and then we can get the blankets out. Just amazing the different rules of different airlines. And we're on our way. We've got the Queen of the Skies. Right, we are going to be the second to go. That's it for New York. It's been amazing. Right, we are next for takeoff. I'll leave it on, even though there's raindrops and everything there, but let's see what you can see on the takeoff from JFK tonight. That's it. Goodbye, New York. There we go. Power on. Yeah, that's it. We are off. Goodbye, JFK, until we meet again. You see the JFK Tower there. Always love the JFK Tower. It's amazing. Love that. Zoom in a little bit. Front end up, and we're off. And pretty much out over Jamaica Bay and into the cloud. Right, time to Manchester 6:08. Time of arrival 6:47. The aircraft tonight is very, very empty. Gonna have another moan. Why don't they sell off some of these seats for a few $100s or something like that? People would fill them instead of. I bet if you tried to get a flight tonight on Aer Lingus, JFK to Manchester, it'd be £400 or £500 minimum, maybe up to £1,000, and there's probably about, from what I can see, maybe 60 or 70 seats free. So why airlines last minute don't do some bargain seats? And you might get somebody who suddenly thinks, yeah, I'll go to Manchester. Who knows? And considering the terrible weather in New York City today, it's a very, very smooth departure out of JFK. We've now got the ambient lighting on, and we're going to be served a meal soon. So plan of action is to get something to eat now, and then get my head down and have a kip. He's already flat out. And leg room on board this A330 tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Pretty good.
Details regarding your flight today. Very shortly we'll commence the in-flight service. My name's Annette. I'm the senior on board today's flight, and I'm joined in the business cabin by Sally and Billy. You're seeing here in the main cabin, we've got Caroline and Nicole. Assisting them, we've got Juliet, Jasmine, Tim. Followed by a hot meal for everyone, the local serve a light snack just before landing. We do have a duty-free service available on this flight, including cosmetic bags, Harris, Phillips 1000 and organic.
Right then, service with a smile. Lovely staff. Give me 2 Cokes and some pretzels. Okay, so the meal tonight is barbecue chicken, bread roll, and we've got a chocolate mousse. That looks pretty good. Water and a bit of salt. And we got wooden knives and forks and spoons. Alright then, meal. Yeah, chocolate truffle. Big thumbs up, that was all really, really good. And barbecue chicken, not a lot of chicken, but very, very tasty. So I think better than the meal out, which was, if you remember, the stringy beef. So meal service today on Aer Lingus, big thumbs up, really good. And we were currently over Nova Scotia, enjoying that meal. Look at the sunshine in Australia, coming up on the east coast, pretty much midday. And we're coming up to Sydney again now. In about another 30 minutes we'll do the Atlantic crossing. Right, now time to have a cuppa. And I've gone for coffee. And then as soon as we finish this coffee and move the trays, gonna get my head down so we can be fresh as a daisy when we get to Manchester. So what did you think of your meal tonight on board JFK to Manchester?
Meal was very good, the dessert was nice as well.
Yeah, really.
And I just enjoyed my cup of tea.
So overall, I think Aer Lingus are
Pretty good.
pretty good, yeah. And I like the configuration of the A330. Where we've got 2 seats, an aisle, 4 seats,
And 2 seats the other side.
much more comfortable. Right then, I've got my very green blanket, and it's time to now get some kip. We'll see you guys as we get closer to Manchester. Good morning, everybody. We are over Ireland. 48 minutes to go. Been a very bumpy and turbulent flight. Managed to get a little bit of kip. They've never actually lowered the lights, so a little bit difficult to sleep. But we must have been asleep because we've just missed breakfast, which was orange juice and a muffin. We're just entering over Holyhead, Anglesey. Got a shot there of Jodrell Bank as we come. And here we go. About to land. Manchester, I believe, 6 Celsius out there. So it's a bit on the chilly side. All the way from New York City. we're coming in on runway 2. Touchdown. Wow, perfect touchdown. Right then, we're here. It's freezing. Oh, absolutely bitter cold. Freezing in the airport as well. Waiting for Jet Parks 3 now.